Boxes and sketches. Today we are going to discuss where it contains about 3D shapes and all properties of 3D shapes. Google form is already sent yesterday itself. Those who know the answers, they can keep try and submit, because we have almost more than 30 questions. Now, this is the topic, boxes and sketches. Yeah. Without any delay, let us rush into the topic. What is the answer to the first question?
Sir, the first question is 12.
Number of edges of a cube. Edges means
12, sir.
edges means lines. Edges means lines. Well, doing in the class also, I have taken the example of a chalk piece box. These are called edges. Edges means lines. This is one edge. This is one edge. This is one edge. Like this, how many edges will be there? You can look at your room itself. How many edges? Top and bottom and sides. 4. Top 4 lines will be there. Bottom 4 will be there. Walls 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 4, 4. All together 4, 3 are 12. 12 edges will be there. If you by hand this table, then you can identify and give the answer. I think first question is done by all.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What about second question? Plane shape, only 2 measurements. Only 2 measurements, 2D shape. 3 measurements, 3D shapes.
2D shape, sir.
Yeah, 2D shapes is the answer. Number of edges of a cone. Cone will be having how many edges?
1.
Sir.
Cone only bottom circle, one edge will be there. It is not a straight, it is a slant one.
1, sir.
One edge in the bottom. The information is there on the table, you can use it.
Sir, second one is 0. Fourth one.
0.
Fourth
Yes,
one.
sir. 0. 0, sir.
Fourth one 0.
Someone is saying second one is 0. Second one is 2D shapes. Number of corners of a cylinder. Cylinder.
0.
Corners.
0, sir.
0.
Cylinder, there will be no corners. Corner will be like this. This is called corner, vertex. But here,
Yes, sir.
lines are not meeting. Cylinder, corner or vertices, 0 is the answer. Okay.
Sir, fifth question is 3, sir.
Fifth question, number of faces of a cylinder. How many faces?
3.
Bottom one face, top
3,
one,
sir.
and curved one face. 3 faces.
Yes, sir. 3.
Triangular based pyramid.
4.
Yeah.
4 corners of a triangular base pyramid.
Triangular based pyramid.
Yes, sir. 4.
4 corners. Shall I go with 4 corners? 4 corners. Where they meet. Imagine a triangle bottom and 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here picture is there. Corner means point where lines meet. Wherever lines meet, you will get a corner there. Seventh one. The net of a cube contains how many squares? If you can answer the 8th question, 7th one you will get. Which shape can be folded to form a cube? 8th one, B is the answer.
Sir, B is the answer and above one answer is 6.
8th one, B is the answer. You can see the B shape. How many small boxes are there? 6 boxes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are nothing but faces. How many faces? Those many squares. Seventh question, indirectly, how many faces of a cube? Cube and cuboid both are same. Cube, you will have squares. Cuboid, rectangles. So seventh one, cube contains 6 squares. Eighth one, which will make a cube? B is making a cube.
Sir. B.
Okay. Look at the ninth question. About cylinder. About cylinder information is here. Go through the information and give the correct answer. Three
Sir,
faces.
B1.
Three
Sir,
faces.
B1.
Two edges. Huh?
Sir, B1.
B1. I don't think so.
Sir, A.
A is the answer. Three faces. Three faces, two edges and 0 vertices. A is the answer. A. Ninth one, A is the answer.
Sir, cylinder have two edges, no, sir.
Yeah, two edges. Cylinder will have.
Two edges.
Yeah, two edges only. Who is saying no? Cylinder will have two edges only. That's why A is the answer. Look at the order. Three faces, two edges, 0 vertices. Square pyramid has dash is base. Square pyramid, the name itself says, if a square is in the top, in the bottom, that is square pyramid. If rectangle is there, rectangular pyramid. If triangle is there, triangular pyramid. So square pyramid means base is square only.
Yes.
Square pyramid will have base as square. If it is done, you can keep on moving. You can go for the next question.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt in the 16th and 17th question.
16th and 17th, then please wait. We are in 11th question. Which is not a 2D shape? Circle is a
Sir,
2D,
rectangle.
rectangle is a 2D, cylinder is a 3D. So cylinder is not 2D shape. Similarly, which is not 3D? Cylinder, cone 3D, circle is not 3D. Eleventh and 12th completed. Thirteenth, on a die, which number is opposite to 5? You know the rule of die.
2. Yes, sir. All the opposite numbers, if we add opposite number, it is equals to 7.
Sum of opposite number of a die is to be 7. If 5 is here, its opposite should be 2. If 4 is here, opposite should be 3. Sum of opposite numbers. Sum of opposite numbers is always 7. Hello?
The corner means vertices.
Which number is opposite to 5? The number opposite to 5 is 2.
Sir, corner
Sir,
means vertices.
Yes, corner means vertices. See, I wrote on the board, vertices are corners. Which die is opposite to 4? Opposite to 4, it has to be 3 because total should be 7. Remember the rule or logic. Then only you can answer it. Fifth one, which can be made into a box? Which can be made into a box? 15th one, can you give the answer?
A and C.
A and C. A and C. See,
Sir, what is level and 12, sir? Answer?
11 and 12.
Yes, sir.
When I am giving the answer, what you are doing, Mr. Abhinav, or sleeping there? 11 and 12, I completed, I explained what you are doing at that time. Look at the board. Cylinder is not a 2D shape. That is the 11th question. Circle is not a 3D shape. 11 and 12 are here on the board. Copied. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, 15th question. Which of the following can be made into a box? See, whenever you want to make into a box, these are called the nets of cube or cuboid. Remember, you can't have same shapes side by side. Look at B. B, you can see third and fourth of same shape. That will never happen. You will have alternates. First one is correct and D, C is correct. And always you should have one like this, one here. Both on same side is also not correct. And only one here is not. That's why D is ruled out. D ruled out because two boxes, two rectangles of same shape side by side is not possible. When you fold, they have to be an opposite side. So same side is not possible. That's why B ruled out. These are the activities you are supposed to do. If you are free, you can try to make different shapes of cuboids using paper. 16th question. Sorry. 16th one. What is the example of the shape?
Cone.
Cone, sir. Cone, sir.
Cone, sir.
Sir. The 17th one is cylinder. Sir, cone, sir.
Yeah, it's cone.
Cone.
Sir, 17th one is
Cylinder, sir.
cylinder, sir.
One is
Cylinder.
sir, cylinder.
Cylinder. All are cylindrical shapes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
17th one. All are in cylindrical shape.
18th one is sphere.
Sir, 18th one is sphere, sir.
Yes, sir.
17th one. Cylinder is correct by all. All did. All should try simultaneously with me.
Yes, sir.
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 Yes, sir.
18th one.
Yes, sir.
Sphere.
Yes,
Sphere shape.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
19th one. You can take the help table. It is already there on the board. Number of faces of a cone.
is equal to 2. 2.
Bottom and top. Bottom face,
Bottom
top.
and top, sir.
Sir, 2.
Bottom and top. Two faces. Number of corners or vertices of a cone.
1. 0, sir.
Sir.
One.
Just one corner and one vertex.
Number of sides of a circle.
Sir, 0, no, sir.
Ah,
No,
circle.
Sir.
Circle, there will be no shapes, no corners, nothing.
Yes,
So it's
sir.
0.
Done, sir.
I have 3 vertices, 3 sides, and no right angles. Who am I?
3 vertices, 3 sides. 3 vertices, 3 sides means it is triangle only.
Triangle.
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 Very simple.
It has 3 vertices and 3
3 vertices and 3 sides.
sides.
Sir, 23 is square.
3 vertices, 3 sides means always triangle.
Triangle
sir.
Yes. 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 right angles. All sides are
Square.
equal.
Square.
Where, sir?
See, all sides equal is possible in rhombus also, but 90 possible only in square. So that 90 is given, that's why we are going for square. 4 vertices, 4 sides. Right angle means 90 degrees, so answer should be square.
Yes, sir. I have 8
Sir,
vertices,
octagon.
8 sides. Sir, octagon.
The octagon.
Octagon means 8 sides, 8 vertices.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, octagon, sir.
Octagon will have 8 sides. Hexagon will have 6 sides. Pentagon will have 5 sides. You should know the mathematical names. Heptagon means 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to remember this. What is the name of 5 vertices? 5 sides, 5 vertices. 5 vertices, 5 sides. What is the name?
Sir, I guess it's pentagon.
Pentagon. 6 sides, 6 vertices.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Hexagon.
4.
Sir, 3
Remember
sides
this.
quadrilateral, 4 sides.
Pentagon.
No, 4 sides quadrilateral.
Hexagon.
Heptagon. Or
Heptagon.
heptagon. So then it's octagon.
Octagon.
Nanogon.
Hmm?
So nanogon.
Nanogon. Decagon.
And then decagon.
Decagon will have 10.
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of the shape?
Pyramid.
Triangle prism.
No. Base important. Based on the name. It is a pyramid. It is a pyramid. Prism is not correct. Pyramid will have vertex on the top. Prism will not have a point, corner on the top. Triangular prism.
Sir.
B. Triangle should be at the bottom. When triangle is at the bottom, top also triangle. And 3 sides will be closed.
Sir.
26. B is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 27 says C.
Wait, till I am in 26.
C, sir. Cube. Yes, it is, sir.
26 is completed by all.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
27, which is a cuboid.
C. Sir, C.
C.
Sir,
C
C,
is
sir.
the cuboid.
C, sir.
C. Cuboid is C.
Sir, 28th one is
Triangular prism, sir.
triangle
Triangular
prism.
prism, sir. 28.
Triangular
one is triangular prism, sir.
Triangular prism, sir.
Yes, sir.
28th one.
Triangular prism.
Done, sir.
28.
Sir.
28 is a prism.
Sir, 28th one is done. 29th one.
29th one. Rectangular pyramid. How many faces? How many vertices? How many edges? Look at the list which is on the table, the last one.
Sir, 5, 8, 5, sir.
No. Edges 8. Edges at the end. Edges 8. 5 faces, 5 vertices. 5, 5, 8. Look at the order also. 5 faces, 5 vertices, 8 edges. So 558 is the answer.
Sir, 30 is 6.
30. How many are there?
6.
Sir,
Six.
6, sir.
6 or 5? Look carefully.
5, sir.
3 in the bottom, 2 on the above.
Yes, sir.
Look
Yes, sir,
carefully,
five.
look
Five,
carefully
sir.
and give.
The
Look
next one
carefully
is
and
4.
give.
4,
sir. Next one.
Yes, sir, next one 4.
4 and 6.
Sir, next one is 4, sir.
Count carefully, don't get confusion. Count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the right answer.
Son, 32 and is 6.
6.
Two beginning, 2 at the end, 2 on the top.
6. Sir, 33 is A.
Sir, A, sir.
A.
Yeah.
Sir, A, sir.
If you see from the top, you can see only L shape. You can see L shape. You can see the L shape.
Over, sir. Sir, B, sir. C,
Sir, C.
Front view.
sir, B, sir.
C.
Sir, B.
Sir, C. C, sir. C.
Front view.
Sir, I guess there isn't the answer, sir. The answer is not there.
Why?
C, sir.
Sir, I didn't get it, the answer.
C, no. C is the answer. Front view.
Yes, sir.
Did you
C,
see the
sir.
front view? 3 lines and.
Sir, this one is the front view.
Yeah, it is. I marked there, no front view. We have marked top view, front view, side view, everything is marked.
Sir, I have sent it.
Front
Sir,
view.
I have submitted. Sir, done.
Sir, done, sir. I am also.
All completed.
I have submitted. I have submitted.
Sir, can you send me the marks, sir?
Huh?
Sir, can you send the marks?
Sir. Marks.
Sir, the marks.
Why you are asking the mark? Yesterday, did I send the marks or not?
Sir, your
Sir, for this Google form.
Yesterday's Google form, did I send the marks or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Then why you are
Sir,
asking
but it was
today?
full.
Then why you are asking after exam I will send the marks, no? Why you are again asking? You submitted the Google form, fine. After the class or in the afternoon, I will send the marks. Now look at the next one. Next Google form.
Sir? Sir, I got only one Google form in the
Yes,
group.
sir, I didn't got the next Google form.
Sir, we have got only one Google form, sir.
Anyone, please, anyone.
Sir, we only got this one Google form, sir. We did not got two Google forms.
Second one
Yes,
I have
sir.
not sent. Listen to me. I thought that both the chapters today may not possible, so I shared only boxes and sketches. And luckily we are able to complete in half an hour because you are active, you are given answers immediately. So we are able to complete it. Now the second Google form, which is having only some 20 questions, let us finish off so that next class we can do the overall revision. This Google form I have not sent, I will send after the class. Okay, now look at the questions. Observe the map and answer the following. If you want, I will send this Google form right now. Otherwise, I will send after the class.
So send now.
After the class.
Sir, send now, sir.
Sir, after the class, sir. It will be better if you send after the class.
Sir, you send now, sir. Send now.
You want me to send now itself?
No, sir. After the class.
Send-
That
Send
even
now.
you can
Sir,
remember.
send now, sir.
Send
Then
now,
you
sir.
can remember.
Send now.
Send now only, sir.
Sir, send now. Send now.
Send now, sir.
Wait,
Send now.
wait, I will send. Wait a minute, I will send. Because I have to delete both this combination of two Google forms, I have to remove it.
Sir, then send it afterwards.
Send now, sir.
Yeah, I'm sending.
Sir,
Okay.
send now.
I'm sending. Wait 2 minutes.
Sir, can you send me yesterday's marks, sir?
Already I sent yesterday itself.
Sir, my name, Abhinav's name, I did not come the marks, sir, yesterday's.
Yesterday, those who did before 12 o'clock, I have sent their marks. I don't know when you have submitted the Google form.
Sir, can you send me to today? Sir, send me Google form. Today, can you send me the yesterday's Google form marks, sir?
Yes, I will send. Yeah. Google form is shared in mass group.
Yes, sir. Sir, don't have max group, sir.
Why? You are supposed to be in the mass group. Why you are not there? If you are not there, give your number, I will add.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start answering. If you can zoom the map if you are not able to see. Observe the map. If you are walking on Rajpath after India Gate, on which side Children Park will
Right
be?
side.
Huh?
Right side.
Right side?
Right.
Yeah. Zoom the map, you can get it. After India Gate, which side you can see the park?
Right side, sir.
Right side is the right answer.
Right,
Right side is the right answer. Only 20 questions are there. If you want, you can submit now itself. Second question. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Which two roads? The angle between which two roads is bigger? In the diagram, angles are already shown. 3 angles are shown. Where you have more angle, obtuse angle, where you have, that can be given as the answer. Which one?
Ashoka Road and Mansingh.
Sir, Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road.
Mansingh and Ashoka Road. In the picture already we have mentioned the angles. I think you can see the picture.
Yes, sir, we can see the picture and angles.
See, here angle is mentioned here. You can see I'm drawing a circle here. Here angle is already mentioned. So by looking at that angle, you can tell. See, here angle is mentioned. That is the biggest angle, obtuse angle. Next. Done with the second.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Which of the above pair of roads are at right angles? Which two roads are at right angles, 90 degrees?
Janpath and Rajpath, sir.
Sir, Janpath and Rajpath, sir.
Janpath Road and Rajpath Road. Yes. You can see.
Road and Rajpath Road, sir.
You can see already I mentioned there 90 degree symbol. Here 90 degrees is there. You have seen I have circled there 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Janpath and Rajpath. Next. Which of these is nearest to river Yamuna?
Sir, Diwane Khas.
Sir, Diwani Khas.
Rang Mahal, Moti Mahal is right
Sir,
side.
Moti Mahal, sir. It is Moti
Yamuna
Mahal.
river is on left side. Yamuna river is on left side. Yamuna river is on left side.
Sir, it is
It is
Moti
near.
Mahal.
Not Moti Mahal, man. Diwane Khas.
Diwane Khas, sir.
Diwane Khas is near to.
Diwani Khas, sir.
Here Diwane Khas. After that Rang Mahal. Then Moti Mahal comes at the end. This is Moti Mahal. First one Diwane Khas. Look at the picture carefully. Between which two buildings is Aramgarh?
Sir, Rang Mahal and Hammam.
And Hammam.
Sir, Rang
Hammam
Mahal and Diwani Khas.
Sir, Hammam and Hammam.
Sir, it is Diwani Khas.
Aramgarh is between here. See, Diwane Khas is here. Rang Mahal is here. In between we have Aramgarh. Okay. So between
Yes,
Diwane Khas and Rang Mahal. Diwane Khas and Rang Mahal. Look at the India map. Which direction you travel? Which direction you travel from Jammu and Kashmir to reach Delhi? Jammu, Kashmir to Delhi, which direction?
North, sir. Sir, north, sir. Sir, north, sir.
East. East.
North, sir. Sir, north, sir.
From Jammu, Kashmir.
Sir, North.
What is the answer?
Sir, north, sir.
How north? Where is Jammu? From Jammu, Kashmir to Delhi. So this is the arrow mark. Okay. This arrow mark is where it is going? Towards south.
South.
Towards
So
south.
the answer is South.
South, sir.
Jammu, Kashmir to down you are coming. Down means south. Direction is already there on the map point.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
South is the answer. Next question is again on the graph. Which state is north of Jammu Kashmir?
Above Jammu and Kashmir isn't
North side of Jammu Kashmir. North side of Jammu Kashmir.
Maharashtra.
Himalaya, sir.
Look at the answer. Look at the answer.
Sir, Maharashtra.
North side. North side. North direction of Jammu Kashmir.
Sir, north side is up, sir, but up above.
North side. North side of Jammu Kashmir. What is there? Is any state is there? North side of Jammu Kashmir.
None, sir. None, sir.
North side of Jammu Kashmir. There is no state. Look at the direction. North side. No.
None.
None is our answer. None. West of Madhya Pradesh, which state is there? West of Madhya Pradesh.
Gujarat.
West side of Madhya Pradesh.
Gujarat. Gujarat, sir. Gujarat. Gujarat, sir.
Gujarat. Gujarat, sir. Gujarat.
West side of Madhya Pradesh.
Gujarat.
West side of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat is there. West side of Madhya Pradesh,
Gujarat.
Gujarat is there. So Gujarat is the right answer. Gujarat.
Sir, the next question: how can we identify how far is it?
1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometers on the ground. Then how far is Delhi from Jaipur? How far Delhi from Jaipur?
Sir, but we can't find how is it.
Huh?
Sir, how can
Delhi.
we find it? What is the distance between these two?
Delhi and Jaipur. What is the distance on the map? Where is Jaipur here?
Sir, in Rajasthan, Jaipur.
From Delhi to Jaipur, you have to measure the distance.
Sir, 50.
Sir, 50, sir.
How 50?
Impossible. Sir, 250 kilometers or 500 kilometers?
If Delhi to Jaipur is 5 centimeters, then it is more than 1 centimeter, no? 250 should be the answer. Delhi and Jaipur is more than 1 centimeter on the map. So it is more than 200. So 250 should be the answer. Let me check the key. Yeah, 250 is the answer. But this question we have to remove. It is not the on the scale on the map how to measure this. Not possible. How many states are there south of Maharashtra? South side of Maharashtra. How many states are there?
Four.
South of Maharashtra. How many are there? The south means below. Maharashtra below. How many are there? Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. 4 are there. South means below, below. So all this comes under south. Below Maharashtra, downside. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. 4 are there.
So now it's 5.
Now it is 5 because Telangana should be mentioned, which is not there. But as per the graph, it is 4. So let us go with 4 only.
4, sir.
Which of the following is southern state of India? Southern state.
Maybe Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka.
Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka. Eastern state of India. East side of India. East side, many are there. Out of this, which is in the list that you have to take?
West Bengal.
West Bengal
West
is there.
Bengal, sir.
West Bengal is there. If you are going to north, then you turn to the left. Now, in which direction you are going?
So west.
N, E, W, S. These are the directions. You are going to north. So north means you are going like this. You are going like this. You are going to north. Turn to left. I am going to north. I
West,
turn to
sir.
left side.
Sir,
I-
west, sir.
I turn to left side.
West, sir.
West,
West.
sir. West.
Yes, these type of questions you can expect in the coming exam. Name the state which does not have any sea on the side. State which don't have any sea. Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, they are on sea side. Uttar Pradesh is, I think, no sea there. Uttar Pradesh is not having any sea.
Yes, sir, Uttar Pradesh is not having
Yes,
any.
it is not having any sea.
So it's not having any.
Okay. Shall we wind up now? This Google form is already there. If you know the answer, submit. Otherwise, don't submit. We will discuss this in the next class. All are on the maps only. If you concentrate on the map, easily you can answer. Okay.
Sir, can you tell me which is West and West Bengal, sir?
What?
This one, sir.
And that's not.
Which of the following is an eastern state of India? West Bengal, sir.
Yes. Don't worry. Don't submit this Google form when you are not able to complete it. Next class, we have Tuesday, we have the last class. So Tuesday, we will discuss this. So don't worry. Okay.